very orchestrated in the 1800s, and
Oh, that
near
far back.
the end of that century, with Gaelic League, and Lady Gregory and different people who were, the Gaelic Revival, right? In which Brigid was put forward as a, kind of a non-partisan, as an icon for everyone, for Protestants, for Catholics, right? For, that she didn't just represent one community. Okay. And what that was relevant at that time. I don't think that's relevant now. But what I love about that is that actually Brigid has always appealed to many communities. So to go back to what you were saying about Brigid and Columkill, in a way, Brigid was more famous because she was a hero to everyone, and she wasn't typecast as one thing. And I think that's why she has such longevity today.